Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I need to tackle logs or branches in my landscaping, I have found that using the 6-inch chainsaw from Tietoc has been the ultimate solution. Some things that I really like about it are, first off, that it's small and easy to handle. This is electric with a rechargeable battery. I find that to be so convenient because then I don't have to worry about trying to start it by pulling something. You just simply plug in the battery and away it goes. If you do need to adjust the tension on the chain, there's a screw in the front, and this comes with a screwdriver in order to do that. I feel super confident and comfortable using this. I do wear leather gloves with it generally, and that really helps because I'm cutting around a lot of blackberry bushes, and then I can just reach out and grab those and put them out of the way. And I like that it gives me an extra layer of protection when I'm using the saw. This is really well made. I've used other mini chainsaws in the past, and I gotta say the components on this one are really top of the line. I think that you're going to enjoy using this as much as I have, and that's my point of view.